Did you know that the annoying squeaking sound when braking is often caused by vibration between the brake pad and the brake caliper? One simple way to eliminate this is by applying brake paste to the back of the brake pad. Just apply a thin layer on the back plate of the brake pad and make sure not to put it on the friction surface that contacts the brake rotor. Brake paste helps reduce vibration at the contact points of the brake components. Because of this, it can minimize or completely eliminate brake noise and make your braking smoother and quieter. It's a simple step during brake maintenance, but it makes a big difference in keeping your brakes quiet and performing properly. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the page for more car maintenance tips and automotive content like this.